Regenerative agriculture is a holistic approach to farming that emphasizes restoring soil health, enhancing biodiversity, and improving ecosystem resilience. In New Zealand, these practices are gaining traction as farmers seek to address environmental challenges while maintaining productivity. Livestock grazing is integral to New Zealand's agricultural sector, covering vast land areas. However, traditional grazing practices have led to issues like soil degradation, loss of biodiversity, and environmental pollution, prompting the need for more sustainable methods. Globally, livestock grazing occupies 25% of the Earth's land surface. This widespread practice has significant environmental impacts, including deforestation, desertification, and waterway pollution, highlighting the need for regenerative grazing practices. Overgrazing leads to soil erosion, reduced soil fertility, and disruption of local ecosystems. This degradation cycle threatens the long-term sustainability of agricultural lands, necessitating the adoption of regenerative practices to restore and protect these ecosystems. Regenerative grazing is a sustainable farming approach that focuses on restoring soil organic matter, improving pasture health, and enhancing biodiversity. By managing grazing patterns, farmers can support soil regeneration and increase pasture productivity. Key principles of regenerative grazing include rotational grazing, allowing pastures to recover, promoting diverse plant species, and minimizing soil disturbance. These practices help create healthier soils, which support more robust plant growth and improve overall ecosystem health. Holistic grazing, developed by Alan Savory, is a regenerative agriculture strategy that mimics natural grazing patterns. This method fosters a positive feedback loop between plants and soil organisms, enhancing soil health and carbon sequestration. Holistic grazing can improve soil health, increase pasture diversity, and sequester carbon, contributing to climate change mitigation. It also supports healthier livestock by providing more nutritious forage and reducing the need for chemical inputs. Despite its benefits, holistic grazing has faced criticism for its perceived inefficiency and the limited evidence proving its superiority over conventional methods. However, recent studies have shown significant ecological benefits when properly implemented. Silvopasture integrates trees, livestock, and pasture in a sustainable farming system. This approach offers numerous benefits, including improved soil health, enhanced biodiversity, and additional income streams from timber and non-timber products. Silvopasture systems enhance biodiversity, improve soil health, and sequester carbon. By incorporating native trees, these systems also create green corridors that connect fragmented habitats, promoting a wide range of plant and animal species. Combining trees within silvopasture systems contributes to healthier pastures by enriching the soil with organic matter and enhancing nutrient cycling. This leads to more resilient grazing conditions and improved pasture productivity. Silvopasture supports invertebrate biodiversity by providing diverse habitats. Trees and varied plant species attract a broader range of invertebrates, contributing to a healthier and more resilient ecosystem. Silvopasture systems offer alternative income streams through timber and non-timber forest products. These diversified revenue sources enhance farm profitability and reduce financial risks associated with traditional farming. Regenerative farming practices, including silvopasture and holistic grazing, can significantly increase soil carbon sequestration. This contributes to climate change mitigation and enhances soil fertility, supporting more sustainable farming. Regenerative farming's long-term sustainability relies on adapting to changing environmental conditions. These practices improve the resilience of agricultural systems, helping them withstand climate change impacts. Adopting regenerative practices in New Zealand faces challenges, including initial costs, farmer education, and resistance to change. Providing resources, technical assistance, and financial incentives can help overcome these barriers.
Successful implementation of regenerative agriculture requires tailoring practices to local environmental, economic, and social contexts. This approach maximizes benefits while addressing the unique challenges of different regions in New Zealand.
Incorporating indigenous knowledge into regenerative practices can enhance their effectiveness, particularly in regions where traditional land management has long been practiced. This integration supports culturally appropriate and sustainable farming. Examples of successful regenerative farming practices in New Zealand demonstrate the potential benefits of these approaches. These case studies highlight how farmers have improved soil health, increased biodiversity, and enhanced farm profitability.
Government support and policies play a crucial role in promoting regenerative agriculture. Initiatives that provide financial incentives, research funding, and education programs are essential for widespread adoption of sustainable farming practices.
The future of regenerative agriculture in New Zealand looks promising, with increasing recognition of its environmental and economic benefits. Continued research, education, and policy support will be key to its long-term success.
Regenerative agriculture offers a sustainable path forward for New Zealand's farming sector. By adopting practices like holistic grazing and silvopasture, farmers can restore soil health, enhance biodiversity, and increase resilience, contributing to a more sustainable future for agriculture in New Zealand.